we are swapping this subframe because, well, mine has a little boo-boo, just like right here. It's the, you know, like right here a little bit, and then a little bit over here. I think just those two boo-boos, and yeah, that's not a big deal. You know what I mean? Just a small little boo-boo. Still need to remove all of this plastic thing and then figure out where I'm gonna hook up the bar support for the engine so I can lift up the engine a little bit, and then from there we're gonna start working on all of that. We're gonna send it. Let's do it. Forget it, safety first. Okay guys, so first hiccup for the day, or I would say challenge. So coming right here, you guys can see this is where the hit was. So try to remove the sway bar here. Good on that side. Coming down here, I have this bolt. This bolt here can't fit a socket because, well, this one collapsed into the steering rack. And you guys can see we have an offset, pretty good offset. Where here it's pretty straight. The other end of the sway bar, it's already snapped in half. That's fine. It's just this bolt right here. If I can get to this bolt, I can drop it down. Well, since we're dropping the entire frame, I'm gonna remove the steering rack from here. See if I can loosen it, lift this one up or something just a little bit, and then I'll get my socket down here and remove this guy. Then the next step is gonna be to remove these cross bars. Seems like it. So yeah, because they go, you know, basically from here all the way back there. Should be a pretty good, fun experience, I'm not gonna lie. Let me show you on this side. You guys can see this is the end of the sway bar. Snapped in half. Yep. Fun. But we're gonna do this, so let's do it. Okay guys, well, another hiccup. So there's a location right here to hook up an eye bolt or anything closer like that, like your tow hook, but I don't have it. I have zero tools or like parts from this car. Like whoever was the previous owner, he took everything out. And actually I was looking there's not even a place for a spare tire. So I don't have a spare tire too. So if I get flat, that's it, you're done. So the plan is to try to use one of the bolts from the subframe. Those looks pretty big and beefy. I don't know if those gonna fit up here. We'll see. So yeah, I'm gonna keep removing some bolts on the bottom and I'm gonna leave the main 4 bolts. So yeah, I'll try to get one of them. So just 3 holding the entire engine. And the 4th one is gonna be the one I will try to put on the top. If not, I don't know. Let's see. I have a special tool for this. Okay, let me introduce you to my little friend. Bad boys in town. This is how we do it. Yeah, buddy. Okay guys, well, it's a different day. I kinda got stuck and family, you know, so let me show you what happened in the meantime, because I'm in the middle installing this guy right underneath here, but first we need to remove this stuff right here. But yeah, and then I have this thing, this nice box, then I have this guy right here, you know, and I have a little bit over there. It's kind of getting out of control. Let's get tracking and let's start removing all of that real quick. Okay guys, so we are good to go from this side, looks like it, and coming over here we are good to go on this side as well. I believe I just need to unscrew this guy, maybe this guy, that one, and that one. That is a total of 6 bolts, and this puppy should come down. At least that's the theory. But check this out. I have this support right here, and I didn't know that you have to have your tow hook. And since this is a Ripple car, I guess you can call it, since it was a, you know, Ripple hit, I guess. The insurance, you know, took it over, whatever you call that. Yeah, people are just scavenging and grabbing whatever they can. I am glad that I got the second light, because those are pretty pain. Let's say it's pretty pain. But yeah, so I started looking over here and I'm like, how I'm gonna connect this, and guess what? Can connect it. So I was thinking maybe running this chain here, taking this pulley out, connect it right there, and then just lifting it. You guys wanna try that? Why not? Let's try it out. I mean, I don't know what I'm doing, but you know, I guess that's the idea. Let's figure it out. Let's see what we can do with this chain, where I can hook it up. $20 cap. Okay guys, and the solution is this end guy right there. Just a little bit of a play, and now our boat. Seems like on the end of the day, I figured it out how I can use it. It's unreal. Oh man. You guys see what I'm doing? All wrong. Okay, changing plans. Right here, I have to swap this bolt because it was sticking out too much, and I took one of the bolts from the subframe. Either this bolt or either this guy. Put it right here, hand tight, but you guys can see then you have all of that inside and just a little bit sticking out. So this is gonna be better instead of having a stick here, sticking out. Okay, and now let's hook it up. I don't know what to say, it wasn't cooperating. I'll take it out. This is a right extension. One down, one more to go. You guys need to see this. You guys see that? Right there. You can see how it goes down, offsets underneath the steering rack. Right there. These two little attachments, those are pretty good. Let me show you how it works. Basically, connect this guy right there. So this thing swivels, and then this guy in the front of it, and then you're creating like an offset. So it's a perfect fit. I'll put a link down below for you guys if you want to get a couple of those. I got 2 sets. I believe they're like $7, like super cheap. Let me show you how quick it's gonna come out. And I'm done. And we have a special visit from the master of disaster. My son, little Nicky. Uh-oh. Okay, well, everything's all good. Both of the nuts came out. I don't know what happened with the second nut. Sure fell down, but I don't know where. I'm gonna have to find it. But don't worry about it. I'll get it later. I'll get it later. Okay, so now we can lift up the engine a little bit, see if that was gonna work. We'll find out in a little bit. I'm gonna set up the crib. And the last bolt. I don't need to remove it. Okay guys, well finally the subframe is out. Beautiful. Everything is, chain is holding it, so we're all good. The next thing for me is to swap these lines right here for the, I believe this is for the transmission oil coolant exchange, which is this guy right there. This one of the connectors is busted, so yeah. But you know, when we replace that, I have everything already here in the boxes. So I'm gonna replace those lines, then I'm gonna plug the oil cooler exchanger, and we can put this pulley, and see if this car is gonna start. It's gonna be a fun video. But that's it, it's gonna be for today's video, guys. We got the subframe out. As you can see how busted it is from, you know, this guy and that guy. It's a little hit right over here, you know, just a little bump. But you know, that's why we have replacement parts. And what you know, can you do better than replace them with an OEM parts? So boom, right there, we have an OEM part. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And don't forget, if I can do it, you guys can do it. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.